Honourable Member, please.
First and foremost, Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to thank the esteemed office of the Assembly Secretariat for admitting this very crucial question. I also thank the Deputy Chief Minister on behalf of Honourable Chief Minister who are not well. So I express my best wishes for him. So while looking into the reply, which had been replied by Honourable Deputy Chief Minister, it seems that today what you are reply and yesterday what our Honourable Deputy Chief Minister Bakaston Tensong, who had replied and gave an assurances to the House in regards with the short duration brought by Honourable President
Your question, please. Your question, please. This is a question about not the debate hour.
So, no, sir, since the reply also is look like the motion, so I have to, you must give him a chance, so that the Honourable, Honourable Minister will give exact reply. So while looking into the, your reply, it seems that it contradicts with what our Deputy Chief Minister yesterday had made clear with a statement that that no one should be scared of this project, because why? From the government side, this is just a preliminary discussion. So I may seek a clarification on that, because as I have seen, the DPR is already in the process. So this
what is your question? What is your question? This is your question, hour, please.
Yes, sir. This is the optimistic of the government that they will go ahead. So please kindly give a clarification whether the government will go ahead to abandon these two crucial places for replacement of parking lot.
Well, Mr. Speaker, sir, in fact, since the questioner is again referring to the reply I made yesterday against the short discussion duration. Sir, I think the question is totally different, because yesterday the honourable mover of the duration discussion, he pointed out about Bernihat, that Bernihat issue. Then I told that yes, preliminary discussion is on, and if necessary, before taking any final decision, we will carry along everybody. We will carry along even the stakeholders, and with full justification. So that was my reply. So I don't know the honourable member now. He referred back to my reply yesterday. So this is only for the clarification. And I would like to request also, sir, through you, the honourable member, the questioner, kindly confine to your question and let the honourable Deputy CM reply, sir.